Okay, this is week 1 of 5 weeks of country swing and two-step. This is our first week of two-step. We worked on our basic footwork alone, our basic footwork together, and then we introduced our outside turn for the follow and an exercise for the follow to get comfortable traveling, and the two-step backwards, landing on that right leg going backwards. So I'm going to lead with my left because I'm the lead tonight. Amy's going to lead with her right. She's a follow. So we're just going to do our two-step in place real quick. Just introducing the camera. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to partner up. We dance two-step in only closed position. You're going to have a straight and staggered position with your partner so you don't step on their toes so that you can travel well. And you're going to have as a lead your hand on her mid-back where there's power to lead her here. You can break. You can do lots of things from here that you cannot do from the waist. And then it's just a very, very light hand hold here. And we're going to do our two-step in place together. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Now I'm going to travel with it. It's just a normal walking gait. And don't ever, so extend both legs. Don't let one kind of limp along behind you. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. If you need to put on the brakes, you can put on the brakes and then put the speed back on. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. I can introduce an outside turn for the follow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, and keep traveling. All right, good job, Amy. Thank you. And then we are going to do one more exercise for the follow, going backwards. That you're going to go quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, landing, going backwards on that right leg, something to practice at home. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. And that is your tutorial for week 1.